Okay, so this is what we're going for today. It is tubular peyote in a spiral pattern. Yesterday we did odd count with 9 beads. Today this is even count with 10 beads, so that I can show you how to do the step up, which is different than with the odd count where you just automatically go up. Okay, so I've got my needle, I've got my fire line, my stop bead, and since we're doing even count this time, we are going to pick up 2 blue, 2 pink, 2 blue, and then for this pattern we're doing 2 white and 2 white, so 10 beads total. And once you have them on, you want to go through them a second time. Don't go through your stop bead, as I have problems. There we go. Okay, then you pull that tight, make a circle. Now you want to go through your first color a second time, or I guess third time. So you go through both of the blue and you're ready to start. You got your circle. And I'm going to put this on the paracord. And I guess we're going the opposite direction this time, just because it's how I threaded it. But it's still exactly the same. So, whatever bead you're coming out of, so we're coming out of a blue bead, that's the bead you want to pick up. So we would pick up a blue bead, and we're going to go every other bead again. So skip one pink, and you'll go through the next pink. And pull it tight. And so we're coming out of a pink. So we're gonna go ahead and pick up a pink. Skip a blue and then into the second blue. And then we're coming out of blue, so we're going to pick up a blue, skip a white, and then into the next white. And so we just came out of white, so we pick up a white, we skip one white, and into the next white. Alright, and now we have come almost full circle. So we just came through a white, we're gonna pick up one more white. And then we're gonna skip this blue that comes after it, and we're gonna go into the next blue. But as you can see, we go into that next blue, but there's already a blue stacked in front of it. So we just came through this one, and this is where our thread would normally add another blue. What we're going to do is we're going to step up. So we go through that second bead that's in front of it. And now you're ready for the next row. And so we just came through one blue, so we'll go ahead and pick up a blue and go through the pink. We went through pink, so we'll pick up a pink and go through blue. And we just came out of blue, so we're gonna pick up a blue and go through white. And we just came out of white, so we'll pick up a white and go through white. Moving my things. So we just went through a white, so we're going to pick up a white. And so we're back here again. We just came through the whites, and I don't know if you can see it, but this is the one we're skipping to go through the next one. And then there is another bead already stacked in front of that. So we go through one and 2 beads. So we're going through both of them to step up. And then you're on the next row. And so we came out of blue, we pick up blue, into pink, pick up pink, into blue, pick up blue, into white, pick up white, into white, pick up white, into, step up, 2 blues. So when you come to a spot where you can't skip another bead, you just automatically go through 2 beads then and step up. So we got blue, we got pink, we got blue, and then we've got white, and white, and you step up with the second white, so through 2 blue beads. When you're doing it, it'll be really obvious because it's the only thing that you can do at that point to add a new bead on. So blue, pink, blue, and yes, I do get lazy and I wait to pull the thread tight till I get multiples on there, just because it makes it feel faster. But it does get tangled around your thread or around your paracord sometimes, so it's not always a good practice to do. Anyways, we are at white, pick up a white, go through white, pick up a white, and we step up through 2 blue beads. And now we start the next row with blue, pink, blue, white, and white, and we step up through 2 blue beads. And blue, and pink, and blue, and white is, and white, and step up through 2 beads. I hope most of that was on screen. All right, so that's what you've got. You've got your nice spiral started.